What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wikob Entertainment. So, Prophet Bushiri is not a happy man at all, and it turns out that his private jet, has been sold by the NPA. So, let us look at this issue and exactly what is happening here. Bushiri is a Malawian pastor who is facing fraud and money laundering charges in South Africa, but he left SA in 2020. So he has expressed like strong anger towards the NPA following the sale of his private jet. The NPA was actually granted permission by the High Court to actually seize that Bombardier Challenger 604 jet, estimated to be around 50 million rands. So the NPA was sort of like recovering, the assets linked to the alleged crimes that were committed by Bushiri. So the reason why Bushiri is not happy about this is that he is maintaining that his charges against him have been dismissed in his home country of Malawi. But the issue is that he has not been dismissed in South Africa, and he is actually like have been requested to come to South Africa and clear his name. So obviously he doesn't want to come to South Africa. That's why the NPA had to seize the jet and sell it. So with this, I can see maybe this escalating into a legal battle, with Bushiri sort of like pursuing legal avenues against the NPA's actions for selling his assets, while he's outside the country. But the issue is that he has to come to South Africa and explain himself. So Bushiri only has one way to stop the seizure of these assets. It is just to come to South Africa. Anything less than that, all of his assets are going to be seized.